A shift is officially underway at Mazda. While the new 2024 CX-90 would appear to be a mere replacement for the existing CX-9 three-row SUV, this new model represents a bigger change in terms of its underpinnings, its powertrains, and its appointments. A new 340 horsepower inline-six and a larger footprint take Mazda's SUV lineup into a new realm of power and size, and the CX-90's design and available features lend even more credence to the brand's premium aspirations. While Mazda has been pushing upmarket for a while, the CX-90 clearly sets its targets higher than the CX-9 ever did because of its new platform. It introduces Mazda's new longitudinal engine architecture, which the company simply calls Large Platform, to the US market. This platform supports a new range of electrified powertrains, including a turbocharged 3.3-liter inline-six with 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque that also includes a 48-volt hybrid system. There's also a plug-in hybrid setup that produces 323 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque with a 2.5-liter inline-four gasoline engine and a 17.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack. The interior is even more impressive. Designers were inspired by Japanese aesthetics. The dash is covered in fabric with kumihimo stitching. Literally translated, it means gathered threads, a Japanese art form of braiding and cord making. Designers used this stitching to fill in negative space on the dash to create a unique design. Mazda has had upscale aspirations for a while now. Redesigns of the CX-5 and Mazda 3 show the brand's know-how. Both are great vehicles to drive, with interiors that are surprisingly classy. Those upmarket moves continue with the all-new 2024 Mazda CX-90 you see here. It seems like we've been speculating and getting teased about the new CX-90 for a while now. But we finally get to see the all-new crossover and a few of its details. In keeping with the brand's Zoom heritage, Mazda designed an all-new platform for the CX-90 with a longitudinal engine and a rear-biased all-wheel drive layout. While you might think that could compromise the interior of what's supposed to be a full-size vehicle, it didn't. Mazda was able to get 3 rows in the CX-90, enough for 8-passenger seating, thanks to the platform allowing for a nice long wheelbase. Drivers get treated to a large 12.3-inch center screen, and there are plenty of physical buttons for important functions, something I appreciate Mazda adding. While Mazda won't get into specifics features just yet, company reps told me the technology available will elevate the driving experience and provide premium comfort with upgraded interior lighting and USB-C charging ports in the third row.